my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal University School, morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a mathematics class today for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in words. It's a cycling word today, and your lecture number is 30, and you have a homework. Your homework number is 21. Okay, let's start our class. It's write in words. My dear students, in write in words, you have mistake. You have did mistake in this 4 or 5 spellings. That means 4, 14, 40 is very important because there is some change in the spellings. The spelling of 4. What is the spelling of 4? You have already learned from 1 to 50 all the spellings. Now I am going to tell you something about these 3 spellings. Okay, the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. This is the spelling of 4. But what is the spelling of 14? The spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. Look, it's 4 and 14 is similar. Okay, 4, then we will add 10 to write down the word 14. But dear students, this is 40, 40. This number is 40. To write down the spelling of 40, you should write down F-O-R-T-Y, 40. That means in 40 there is no U. Please remember this thing. If in the spelling of 40 there is no U. If you write down like this F-O-U-R-T-Y 40, then it is wrong. It's not the correct spelling. Okay, you should write down the 40 F-O-R-T-Y 40. Now we should write down the next number is 4 and 4 makes the number 44. What is the spelling of 44? It's F-O-R-T-Y. We should write down at first 40, then 4. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. Only the spelling of 40 we have no U. Okay, then the last one today is 50. 5 and 0 makes the number 50. You know already this spelling is F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay, dear students, now I am going to tell you something about the HWs. What is your HW for the vacation? Dear students, in the vacation of Eid al-Fitr, you have to do these HWs. Okay, these 8 numbers you should write down in words in your HW copy. Please mention your HW number in the left of corner. HW number is 21. You should mention this one, and then you should write the topic. The topic is write in words. Okay, then fill up these numbers with the words. Okay, with the spellings, and you must submit this HW on 29 May 2021. That means on Saturday. The students, see you again inshallah with a new topic after Eid al-Fitr. Okay, have a nice vacation. Allah Hafiz.